Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can change out the batteries in your digital voice phone. So it's this one here. It's very easy to do. If you find that your call time isn't lasting very long and it keeps going dead on you, you can change out the batteries very easily. First thing we're going to do is we're actually going to turn off the handset. So on the red hang up button here, if you hold it down for about 6 or 7 seconds, you will see it will actually power down the handset. Here we go. So then you can let go and you can see it's now off. Now let's bring it over to the table and change out the batteries. Now you need a little flathead screwdriver like so, and it comes apart down here, so the whole back lifts out this way. So you're going to get your flathead screwdriver, and where these little grooves are, you're just going to place the screwdriver in there, and you can see already the back's opening out. So in here and lever out like so, and the back lifts out like that, and it uncovers the batteries here. The batteries are AAA size, 1.2 volts, 800 milliamp hours. So you're going to get your replacement ones. These are actually working fine, doing this purely for the video, and you're going to be putting them in negative side against the spring here, and negative side here against the spring. So negative, positive, negative, positive. And then to place this back on, you're just going to be clipping it on like so. So it's just going to clip on all the way around like that. Make sure it is fully home. There you go. You can see now that that looks nice all the way around there, and it's just trying to sync up again. So give it a good minute or so. And there we go. You can see now that it's synced itself up, and you can hear it there. So if you're having problems, it's nice and easy to swap out those batteries, and hopefully you get more life out of your handset. Thanks for watching.